everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another top 5 video and this time I am with mascara. So here I'm gonna show you my top 5 most favorite mascaras of all time, and all these mascaras lie in drugstore category. So yeah, you can easily get it anywhere. They are easily available, they are affordable, like they lie under rupees 600 or something, like it is between 300 to 600. So if you want to know what are my top favorite 5 mascaras, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so now the first mascara that I have with me is from Maybelline and it is their Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. So I am a huge Maybelline fan, let me tell you that. And this is the mascara, like I started my channel with this mascara. So yes, there are a lot of memories with this mascara and it is like very cute packaging. I really love the colors, like metallic pink, metallic red, and this is how it looks like. So this applicator is different from regular applicators, and let me tell you, this is an extremely black mascara. It is highly pigmented, it is intense. So yes, I love its pigmentation and it does not have any kind of fiber thing or something in this mascara. This is voluminizing, it lifts up your lashes and it is super comfortable to wear. This will make your lashes look dense and strong, and the best part that I like about this mascara, it doesn't weigh down your lashes. So definitely, even if you layer this mascara, like I like to go in with 2 or 3 coats of this mascara and gives a really good volume, and still after applying 2-3 coats it will not weigh down your lashes, and this lasts pretty long and highly affordable. So yeah, everything about the like link to buy these mascaras and the prices, they will be there in the description box, so do not forget to check that. The next mascara that I have with me is again from Maybelline and it is their Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So just by looking at this you can say that how much I have used it. So yes, though mascaras last for like 5 to 6 months, then they start to just drying up, but I put 2 or 3 drops of lens solution. This is a hack, by the way. I put 2-3 drops of lens solution and then it works like the new one. Now this brush is the USP of this mascara. Like, look at this wand, it is so unique. And it has a curved fan-like head with long bristles on one side and smaller on the other side. Like if you can see it closely, it has this curved sort of wand, and this is like the long bristles, and here on the other side are the short bristles. It is so smooth to apply, and the best part is it doesn't clump your lashes at all. It is super black in color and it separates your eyelashes really well, and it gives a really good length to your eyelashes, and I think this is like the most favorite drugstore mascara of all time, and like it is the choice of every makeup artist. I have never heard any bad thing about this mascara from anyone. It is that good, and yeah, it is easily available, it is highly affordable, and also this has no fiber in it, and it stays for pretty long time, like 7 to 8 hours, and it doesn't smudge at all, and true value for money. Now the third mascara that I have with me is again from Maybelline and it is their Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. So this is the third product from Maybelline. Maybelline makes some awesome affordable products, so yes, I really love Maybelline, and this is how the wand looks like. So this mascara has an instant volume building express formula that quickly thickens eyelashes, and definitely this mascara, it also stays for like all day long. I tried it for like 18 hours, like I was traveling and then I slept. So yes, this mascara stays for that long, and again it doesn't weigh down your lashes, it curls your eyelashes so beautifully. But if you are looking for some crazy volume and length, then this is not your kind of mascara, because it adds moderate length and volume to your eyelashes. But I don't mind, because I use this mascara like for my everyday or on the go makeup, like when I don't want heavy volume and want my eyes to look like subtle. Oh yes, this is a very lightweight mascara but really good for an everyday basis. Okay, so now next mascara that I have with me is from Wet n Wild and it is their Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara, and this is how it looks like. So I really love this kind of twisted sort of packaging, and yeah, love the color as well. And now let me show you the wand. So this is how this wand looks like. So this mascara has some unique wand which makes its application easy without poking your eyes. And why I'm saying that it doesn't poke your eyes, because if you notice this wand, it has bristles here and then here, like this round thing, which makes it really easy to apply this mascara on your lower lash line. Like whenever I apply mascara on my lower lash line, I always poke my eyes, but this unique wand, like I always use this wand for my lower lashes. So I just go in like vertical motions, because this has this thing, like this round thing in front, and it really helps to coat my lower lashes. Also, it reaches to the area where you can't reach, or you are like afraid of applying mascara there, because you know, I always mess up with the mascara. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it's here. And again, this mascara also, there is no fiber at all. And fiber means there are some particles in the mascara which makes your eyelashes thick, and this is what fibers are. But it is like very irritating when you are removing your mascara, because those fibers are like everywhere on your face, and it is like a bit hard to remove those fibers from your lashes. And also this will give normal volume to your lashes, not some crazy volume. But the best thing about this product is it doesn't clump your lashes. It easily separates your lashes. This is what I love about this product. But definitely this is like a great everyday or daytime sort of mascara. When you don't want too much going on your eyelashes but still you want something, then this is a really good choice. And yeah, this is affordable as well. And the best part about this mascara is it doesn't dries up quickly. Like once you apply one coat, it gives a good amount of time to layer it up, because it doesn't dries that quickly. So yeah, definitely for everyday basis, I recommend this mascara. This is a really good mascara. And now the fifth and the last mascara that I have with me is again from Wet n Wild, and it is their lash extension fiber Lash-O-Matic mascara. So it comes like this. This is the mascara and these are the fibers. Let me show you this thing. Like when I bought this mascara, I really found it very interesting. Like look at this wand. There are some fibers here in this. All you have to do is, like you can see here it is written 1 and 3, and here it is written number 2. So all you need to do is you have to apply this mascara first, like coat it on your lashes, then use these fibers. This will kind of thicken your eyelashes, and then third step is to again coat with mascara, so that these white fibers kind of, you know, blend with the black mascara. And this really gives a good volume and good length to your lashes, like you are wearing some falsies. So yeah, this is that good. But because I have started applying falsies, so now I don't need this thing at all. I just apply this one because the mascara is really good. It gives a great volume and great length to your eyelashes. So yeah, I just love this mascara. Like let me show you the wand of this. It has a very thick wand, like look at this, but gives you some crazy volume and length. So yeah, I really love this one. But still there are two things which I don't mind at all, but maybe some of you will not like this thing. So when you apply this mascara, it also has some fibers in it. No matter you use this or not, it still have some fibers. And when you apply it on your eyelashes, it is hard to remove. I don't mind at all. Like I apply some oil or cleansing milk to get rid of this mascara, but yeah, maybe some of you won't like this thing. And second thing, it is little clumping, but I'm kind of ready to forgive that much. So yes, when it clumps my eyelashes, I just go in with Maybelline Lash Sensational Wand and just comb up my eyelash hair, and it then separates it. So yeah, I don't mind anything about this mascara because it gives really good volume and, you know, length to your eyelashes, makes them thick and dense. Alright guys, so these are my favorite top 5 mascaras, and I really hope this video helped you in some way. You can pick any one of them because these are like truly tried and tested by me. And also if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.